Hi guys, here we are again with our second voice recorder. So this is the one I mentioned in the previous watch video. If you'd like to see that video, please click in the description below to watch that. This is our VR119. It's a pretty simple, easy to use little unit. Let's go ahead, we'll open the box and I'll tell you all about it. So inside the box we have our little voice recording unit. So here it is here. For all intents and purposes, it looks much like a little power bank would. You have a little micro USB slot in the bottom of the unit, and you have a on-off switch at the top. So pretty simple, easy to use little unit. We then have all its packaging as usual. A little spacer. It's included in a set of instructions. So being a one-touch unit, it's pretty simple. There is a README file that comes supplied on the unit that can be altered by plugging into the computer, and that will allow you to change the date and time should you need to do that. Included also is a set of headphones, much like with the watch, so you can listen directly from the unit if you didn't have access to a computer. You also have your download micro USB cable. So that's the white cable. It's got a normal USB end on it and then a micro USB end just for the bottom of the unit. And then we have, again, much like the watch, we have our little headphone adapter. So it's a micro USB to 3.5mm adapter, just so you can listen to those recorded files saved on the unit without having to go to a computer and download them if you didn't have that option. That's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. Join us on the next video and I'll show you how to turn it on and off, which is again pretty simple, and how to play back the files from the actual unit should you wish to do that. Thanks for joining us, guys.